a lot. I better get away from them.
I put this on top of my car when I'm late for work.
It's so quiet and so pretty. It perfectly paired with everything right out of the box so easily. I absolutely love it.
Computer, turn on the smart heater.
How you can get back at him for something he never even did in the first place. What do you say? I say we tie him up to the tetherball pole!
Okay, so here's the heater. I have it plugged in back here. There is a power button that allows you to turn the power on. Currently it is on low. This is medium, this is high, and this is auto, where it'll kick on and off. To change that, you hit the mode button, and it's coming out right here. It's super warm. If you just want to set a timer for it to run for maybe an hour, you can set your timer here. And then you go through all of them to turn it off. Also, very cool, you hit this little light button and a night light comes on. Ow, it does, ouch, it does get hot to the touch. So I do not recommend this around pets or kids, because that is very hot already. That will burn you. There's also, if you hit the power button, if you hit the mode button, it will take you down to a fan option. To turn the light off, you just turn this off. And to turn the power totally off, you hit the power button. Yes, that will stay on, but it kicks off. Very cool. Also, if you notice on the back of it, there's a handle where you can pick it up and carry it. This is like a vent, I'm assuming, for the air to go through. There's also an app. I put in one of the pictures. The QR code, you just scan the QR code and you can connect it to your phone and control it how you want. Very durable, well made. I mean, I think this is awesome. For a small room, this would definitely heat a small room. It gets very, very hot very quick. Love it.